All right, well, I got November 33121 pulled out here, did the pre-flight already, we're ready to go. And just doing one more little walk around here before we go up. Got a little bit of runway fog. Hopefully that's not an issue. The temperature dew point is kind of close today, within about 2 degrees of each other. So yesterday we couldn't get up because the temperature dew point was equal, and the Connecticut River just had a lot of moisture coming off of it. So I couldn't get up with my TikTok friend Dami, but we're gonna go to Skylark today, and we're gonna check that airport out. But yeah, sun's coming up, and it's super early here in Hartford, so come along for the ride. All right, guys, so here's the briefing today. We have 20 gallons of gas on the left, 19 gallons on the right. We're going to 7 Bravo 6. We're going to Skylark. Looks like we have a 3,242-foot runway by 60-foot wide. They have runway 10 and runway 28. There is a note on the field, no helicopter skids. Well, we're not in a helicopter, so we'll be fine. Field elevation is 120 feet. Traffic pattern is 1120. Common traffic advisory frequency is 122.8. And there's no ASOS, so I'm going to get ASOS at Bradley at 118.15. So it's first time ever going to Skylark. I'm probably going to get up and get on with approach control 123.9 or 5. Just let them know I'm coming. There's the my knee board with the section on there, and it's a 12 nautical mile flight. It should take us about 7 minutes to get there, and looks like we'll be heading is going to be 27027. So we'll be heading northeast today. So I'm going to do the checklist, and we're going to start up here in a minute, and then we'll switch over to the in-cockpit audio.
All right, nobody's on final. Nobody's on final the other way. Let's hope this river's not fogged in today like it was the other day. All right, let's get center line and heels on the floor. There we go, full power. Right rudder, looking for 60. Airspeed's alive. There's a 60, we're gonna rotate. Brainerd traffic, Archer 33121, departure runway 2, Brainerd. I forgot to change the ID on that. That's why it's flashing there. Brainerd traffic, Archer 33121, off to departure, Brainerd. Bradley Departure, good morning, Archer 33121, 700, just departed Brainerd, climbing 2007 Bravo 6.
Archer 33121, you said you're going to 6 Bravo 6?
Negative 7 Bravo 6, Archer 121.
Sir 121, Roger, squawk 5241 and IDEN.
5241, Archer 121.
GPS 1038, fly heading 150.
Heading 150, UPS 1038.
GPS 1066, heavy contact tower 120.3, have a going.
Order tower, UPS 1066, heavy, good morning.
Number 33121, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Brainerd, Bradley, altimeter 3001, what was your type of aircraft?
3001 PA28, and then we'd like to keep the code and then do a touch and go at Bradley when we land.
Alright, so you're just overflying 7 Bravo 6 and then you want to go to Bradley?
Negative. I'd like to land 7 Bravo 6, full stop, taxi back, and keep the code, and then grab the ATIS, and then we'll do a touch and go at Bradley.
Alright, just when you depart, if you could depart to the straight to the east, because we're landing runway 24, you'd be in the way of the arrival stream.
Copy that, depart to the east, Archer 121.
33121, radar services are terminated, keep the code, and just report your departure back with me on this frequency.
Copy that, keep the code, we'll report back in, Archer 121. Skylark traffic, Archer 33121 is 4 miles south, landing 28. We're 1,500. We'll be entering a left at downwind, midfield, runway 28.
As we watch this time lapse over East Windsor, I'd like to welcome new channel members, my YouTube channel, Bob Richardson and Richard Reese. Thank you for becoming part of the Alpha Kilo Warrior member community. You guys get early access to videos, member-only videos, and a really, really cool member badge when you comment on YouTube. And what's nice is it changes over time the longer you become a member. You too can become a member today for just 3 cents a day and help support future videos, and 100% goes back into my aviation production and brand.
I see it. Get a little closer here.
Thanks for watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment on YouTube. Be sure to check out Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm posting social content daily.
How's traffic? We got a guy landed behind us, actually to our 3 o'clock there. There's Skylark. Airport in sight. Skylark Traffic Archer 33121, left downwind 28 Skylark. Alright, gun to check, fuel pump on, lane light on, into collision, beacons on, wingtip lights on, mixtures full rich, run the full tank, run the left tank. We'll get a notch of flaps in here. And we're staring at the sun. So 10 is the opposing runway. About 1500 there. And Skylark Traffic Archer 33121 left base 28 Skylark. Field elevation is 120 feet. I try to keep it a little bit high here. And Skylark Traffic Archer 33121, turning final 28 Skylark.
If you have enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe and click the notification bell to watch part 2 of this exciting departure and landing at Bradley, coming next on Alpha Kilo Warrior New England Aviation Entertainment.
That's landed long. I got runway. Yeah, a little bit too much speed there. Got runway. And Skylark Traffic Archer 33121 will be back taxiing on runway 10. We'll be departing run 10 to the east. Bradley's using 24 Skylark. Keep the fuel pump on, lane lights on, anti-collision beacons on, wingtip lights on. Mixture's full rich, we're ready to go. Do a loop around and we'll go back up. First time at Skylark. We got an obstacle, so I'm going to do a short field takeoff today.